tacos on the Traeger Grill. This is our new scenery for this summer. We're doing it outside. It's great weather. Summertime's here. Bam. So today we're going to be doing is pork chop tacos on the Traeger Grill. Yeah, tacos on the Traeger. Let's get it started. All right, so we have it. Those are bone-in pork chops. We're going to be using our Florida barbecue rub. Like I said it before, I love this rub. Really do. And if you guys want to try it, there'll be a link in the description. But you guys can try anything you guys want to try. It's up to you guys. Whatever seasonings you guys have. So, we're going to do a nice heavy coat on these bad boys. Because a lot of people want to make sure. They always ask, is it salty? I don't want it to be too salty. No, this is not salty. This is just perfect. Just like that. Okay, so we're going to flip them, do the same thing, same process, season them the other side. We're going to be back for that. All right, there we have it. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to put the Traeger at 350 degrees. We're going to leave them in there for, I think, 30 minutes. Last time I did it. Internal temp, we're going to 150. Now, you guys don't have to make tacos. You guys can just know how to cook the pork chops, and then you guys go do it yourselves. Let's go ahead and fire up that Traeger. All right, now that our Traeger is at 350 degrees, now I'm putting our pork chops in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip them to get that grill mark on both sides. So we'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, now that our 15 minutes are up, now we can open these and flip them, do the first flip now. So once we flip them, now we have another 15 minutes and they should be ready. So we will be back in 15 minutes. All right, now we're back. The 15 minutes are up. And total time they've been there is 30 minutes. So now we're checking the internal temp to see if it hits 150. And so they're good to go. And now we're going to take them out. And I'm going to have them resting for a couple minutes. And now let's go ahead and do the tortillas on the Traeger. Alright, now that our pork chops are out, I'm going to add the tortillas in here. I'm going to leave them for 3 minutes. Then I'm going to flip them. And another 3 minutes, and we'll be back. All right, 3 minutes have passed, so now we're gonna flip them. I like to have them a little crisp on them, so 6 minutes total time. So we'll be back in 3 more minutes. All right, our tortillas have been there for a 6 minute total time, and they are ready to come out. And for me, they are perfect. So let's get it going. All right, guys. Here we have it. And before we start, let's get a quick recap of what we did. All right, guys. Here you have it. Pork chops are done. So let me move so I can cut them. I'll go ahead and cut one. Just like that, in little tiny pieces. Man, that smells good. Not the bone. All right. Grab one of your tortillas. Put a couple in there. Get a little bit of guac in there. Oh yeah. Homemade salsa. And then a tad of this Mexican cream. Bam. There you have it. How does that look? It smells great. Man, I'm excited to try this. We love tacos here. You guys see the channel. We do a lot of tacos, especially on the Blackstone. This is my first time doing tacos on the Traeger. Oh, look at that. Amazing. And you know, it's about to go down. Mmm. 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 Damn. Mmm. Mmm. It's going to be a hit. If you guys do this, you have to use any kind of pork chops. There's boneless, and bone-in. Either one work. I picked bone-in because that's what was on sale today. Now it's like, ooh, it's on sale. Let me do some tacos on the Traeger Grill. Mmm. Mmm. I'm about to make me about 4 or 5 of these bad boys. My God, they're good. So make sure you guys don't have to do tacos. Just if you guys just want to know how to do the pork chop part, that's fine. Then you guys can take it and do your own. Make it your own. This is what I did. So let me know in the comments what do you guys like in your tacos, or what's your favorite kind of taco? Well, of course, carne asada. That's probably my favorite, al pastor. But this is cheap. It's easy. It only took 30 minutes. That's it. So you guys know what to do. So make sure you guys hit that like. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, because there's more great content coming, and you guys do not want to miss any of this. And if you guys really want to be a pal, like I mean pals, check out one of these videos. I mean, they're pretty damn good. I mean they're alright. They're good. Hit that little guy right here. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time.